The National Population Commission has trained over 200 registrars on electronic civil registration and vital statistics in Lagos State. Federal Commissioner of the Commission, Olayinka Oladunjoye, says the training is designed to equip officers with the skills needed to ensure every child is registered at birth and receives a legal identity from day one. Aminat Elegushi has the report.
Over 200 registrars and deputy chief registrars have gathered here to receive training aimed at strengthening the digital transformation of civil registration and vital statistics in Lagos. Federal Commissioner of the NPC Lagos, Olayinka Oladunjoye, says the electronic civil registration and vital statistics is not just a technological upgrade, but a fundamental shift in how the country captures, stores, protects, and utilizes the live events of every Nigerian, including births, deaths, marriages, divorces, adoptions, and stillbirths.
With ECRBS, we are moving from a paper-based error-proof and often delayed system to a secure, real-time, interoperable digital ecosystem that will ensure every child is registered at birth and receive a legal identity from the womb. Provide accurate and timely vital statistics for planning, budgeting, and policy making. Reduce fraud and multiple registrations. Enable seamless integration with other government agencies such as NPC, NHIS, INEC, and the health sector, and ultimately bring Nigeria in line with global best practices and help us achieve Sustainable Development Goal 16.9, which is legal identity for all by 2030.
Oladunjoye also highlighted the importance of the training in ensuring effective service delivery.
Today, you will be taken through the new workflows, the use of tablets, the ECRBS application, data security protocols, troubleshooting common issues, interoperability features, and most importantly, how to sensitize and bring your communities along in this digital journey.
The registrars selected from all 57 local government and all local council development areas are expected to deliver seamless and reliable birth registration services in their communities. Aminat Elegushi, LTV News.